Hello YouTube, I'm back. Good morning. Uh, there's our new kitty right there. Oh, my new kitty. Some people abandoned the cat, but we got we rescued it from people that didn't like the cat. Yeah, so that's just a quick video I just wanted to do. You're guessing why is there like a pillow inside the down the cat? I don't know. It just wanted to go like inside there because it's so hot in there, like in that spot thing. I'm so happy. I didn't know I was gonna get another cat. We actually have another cat, Mona, but I guess our cat Mona liked this cat, so que mi amor, que she's so sleepy. Okay, bye YouTube. Subscribe, like, comment, subscribe, dale un like y comenta.